Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Monday, the 30th of November. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the Euro-Yen analysis.
Euro inched higher against the Japanese yen on Monday, increasing the price of the Euro-Yen pair to more than 124, ahead of the release of European Consumer Price Index core news.
Now, this pair is currently trading around the 124.45. Now, looking at the chart closely, you'll find the following resistance levels. At resistance 1, we have the 124.57, which is the immediate upper trendline arm. At second resistance, we have the 125.13, which is the high of November 11th this year. And finally, the third resistance is at 125.34, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci.
On the downside, the price of the Euro-Yen pair may find some sustainability near the listed support levels. The first support will be 123.42, which is the major horizontal support, and the second support will be 123.01, which is the low of November 2020 this year, and the third support will be 122 even, which is the confluence of a lower trendline arm and the psychological spot.
Now, the European Consumer Price Index news is something we need to keep an eye on. Eurostat anticipates releasing numbers concerning the European Consumer Price Index news on Tuesday. And according to economists' view, the European CPI index reached a reading of 0.2% in November this year as compared to a reading of 0.2% in November previous year.
European CPI reflects movements in the retail prices of products, goods and services selected from representative shopping baskets on a sampling basis. The price movement relates to the period under consideration. The Consumer Price Index does not include volatile items such as energy, food, tobacco, and alcohol. The European Consumer Price Index is an important economic indicator that reviews the possible purchasing trends of consumers as well as expected inflation rates in the coming days. Generally speaking, the high reading suggests a bullish market for the Euro-Yen ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the price movement of the Euro-Yen pair over the last few days, selling it around the current levels might yield some quick profits. And now let's move on to the Aussie US analysis.
The Australian dollar rose against the US dollar on Monday, increasing the price of the Aussie-US pair to more than 73 cents, ahead of the release of Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision news.
Now, currently this pair is trading and it's strengthening around the 73-78 cents. This pair might come across the following resistance levels. Looking at the chart, okay, we can see resistance 1 is at 74.13, which is a key horizontal support resistance level. Second resistance is at 74.83, which is the high of July 10th in 2018. And finally, the third resistance is the 75 cents even psychological number.
And on the downside, the price of the Aussie-US pair may find some key support levels, helping the price to stay above the price below. The first support will be 0.7372, which is the lower trend line arm, and the second support will be 0.7339, which is the high of November 9th, 2020 this year. And the third support will be 0.7275, which is the major horizontal support.
Okay, so the big news coming out tomorrow is the Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate news. Okay, so the Reserve Bank of Australia plans to release figures for the interest rate decision on December 1st, which is tomorrow. And according to economists' consensus, the RBA interest rate decision news will register a reading of 0.1% in November, bearing no changes compared to a reading of 0.1% in the previous month.
The RBA interest rates reflect the overall economic condition of the country. If the bank adopts a hawkish attitude towards quantitative easing and rises the interest rate, it's seen as positive for the Australian economy. However, a dovish view following a consistent interest rate or a cut in it might not be favorable for the country's economic health. Generally speaking, increasing numbers suggest a bullish market for the Aussie-US pair ahead and vice versa.
That's right. Look, in conclusion, given the macro economic outlook of this pair, buying the pair around the current levels might be a worthwhile trading decision in the short to medium term trading. And as always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose. And as always, apply strict money and risk management techniques.
Yes, and please also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button and to share to your friends as well. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.